With almost or 927, 145. The runner-up position.
Going on?
Well, it's a perfect day.
Yeah, it is.
If we can get the sun to go down,
yeah.
Track to cool a little bit, I think it'll be right. Brandon's going to have the track on point. Full weight, 2016 stock 6R80 on air ride.
Okay.
It's got a BoostWorks top mount, twin 7275 Precisions, built long block from BES, and Plasma Man intake, factory ECM. Hopefully we can run a decent number.
Heck yeah.
This will be the third under power pass.
All right.
On the new twins. I had the mid mount set up prior to this.
Is that what you had when you won the Mod Nats last fall?
I had the mid mounts on it then.
Okay.
So smaller turbos mounted underneath the car, and so I've got my converter. My converter's a lot looser. I'm trying to figure out where the happy spot is for that.
Yeah.
So hopefully we can run a good 60, and if that happens, I'm pretty confident we can run the number.
Heck yeah.
So.
Well, I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
03 Mustang 1320 fabrication, beautiful car. And Joe Glockner coming out of Portsmouth, Ohio. The 16 Mustang on the left-hand side. Yo, he's actually got the AC on, the heat and the radio on at the same time. This thing is a street machine. No AC, but it has heat. If you put the top down, the AC works. Got it.